Hi guys, here we are back again at Church Lane Level Crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe, Adam and the Level Crossing channel. That's nice. It's got a swingy skirt. Yeah. It still bangs. There we go. That one bangs as well. Time now is 13:19 on Sunday the 4th of December 2016. This is for your 13:15 2 Delta 18 Northern service from... Hang on a minute. Northern service from Saltburn, Darlington to Saltburn. You what? Oh goodness, yeah. All the barrier lights are bright. They're working, but they're on very, very dim. They're very, very dim. I thought you said the light was broken. Yeah, they're on, but they're very, very dim. They've not got very much power going through them. And that was the lamp that was broken when I came here last time. It works very well now. It sounds really nice. Adam, what does that one sound like? Oh, I see that. Yeah, the skirt's completely off its rod. That will swing out. That alarm's really nice. Yeah. Here it is. One 142 022. 142 022 to Saltburn. And it's not staying. There's nothing else due. Up they go. Yeah. Oh. Thanks guys, next video.